what's up guys, back again with me in this channel. Okay, today I'm going to review the Dainese Valentino Rossi Axial Pro in boots. Actually, I'm sorry, this is a replica boots edition 2008, and now is 2025, so like almost 20 years ago. So not much I can say, but these boots are amazing because no matter, as you can see, even though now in 2025 there are no boots like this, Dainese never made anymore. And even though the last for the Valentino Rossi replica Axial Pro in boots replica, for the replica those boots in 21 I'm not really like, because too much black and the blue kind of dark. If you can see, this blue is very nice. This blue just like the Yamaha blue that's matched with the suit. And the one thing that I like from these is the yellow fluo side, which is the right side boot. And as you can see, these boots mixed with the Aborigine design. There's a step there, foot, and the dragon that match with the glove. And as you can see the VR46 logo here. This is the first and gonna be until now. I'm so sorry. I think 2000, the latest one, 2001, they don't use these. They use the Sole Luna logos, Sun Moon. But until 2017 edition, yep, if I'm not wrong, the Valentino Rossi Dainese Axial Pro in replica boots 2017, it has the VR46 logo like this, even though kind of thin. But back way in 2008, this logo is the first time that exists. So this is the first appearance, and they've been using this ever since until 2017 for the replica Rossi boots. And as you can see, it has the carbon, it's like usual. And the difference with the 2009 boots, it doesn't have the tail here. It's so only like this. You can see my other video when I'm reviewing the 2009 Dainese Axial Pro in replica Valentino Rossi boots. And I like the blue Dainese logo here. And this is the Dainese, as you can see, still like the same old one until the 2015 edition. They still been using this one, the Dainese logo. If we see the blue one, so that's the blue color. And same way with the Aborigine style. This one, this motif, this style match with the glove. And VR46, and the from the back side, that's the Dainese logo. And for these boots, this is the last boots. If you pay attention, these are the last boots that doesn't have the protection of the metal here, because the 2009 edition, it has the metal protection here. You will see in my other video, or if you have the old around 2009 up to Axial Pro in boots, the regular one, you will see the silver metal protection on both. And so this is the last edition that the boot doesn't use it. The 2009 it does, so they have it. And how do I to open this boot? It's just same way, same thing. I just like open the banana skin, as I always say that. As you can see, I'm only using it like one hand. I can easily simply open up. See that one? That's it. Just strap This one, set. Just put your your foot all the way in. That's it. And how do I to close it? Same way, just do like this. Put this on back. That's it, and just simply close it. You just sorry. That's it. Very simple, easy and fast, as you can see. Not that hard. Unlike the Alpine Stars Supertech R boots, I do have it. And really sorry for you guys who watching this that are having the Supertech R boots. They are nice, but I don't like them. They are heavy, and if you don't buy the perforated boots, they are hardy. So they are hardy, they are heavy, and how to open it, because they have a zipper around here. Oh, so complicated. Some riders, they do have a issue about on how to open them, how to or to get in the boot, the legs, the foot, everything. But with these boots, it's totally awesome. It's like my few minutes ago that I show you. Just open up this one, and to this edition, this is the last also. If you pay attention here, I'm sorry. So again, this is the last edition for this the kind of plain. Why I say plain, because so many plain protection, yeah, unlike if you compare with the latest or after this, the edition. Again, there's no protection here for the heel, but here is still the same until now. Nothing changed. And then why I say plain as well, because for the size tags, as you can see, it's only just printed so thin about in here. There is no Dainese logo, but the Dainese logo is right over there. It's right over here. Oh, I'll show you. Yep. So this is the ankle that you can move. So this is the old Dainese logo. And if you see this logo, it doesn't mean this boots fake. No, these are not fake boots. This is original, authentic Dainese Axial Pro in replica Valentino Rossi boots, and absolutely amazing boots. And this is not a fake boots, guys. Okay, again, this is old style design. And after this, on the 2009 edition boots, you will see the triangle like this, or that red. It's going to be here, and to be right on here. You will see the tags, the size tag, like UK, what is the number, yes, US size, what is the number, but not in this edition boots. So you just like printed, just white, just like this. And okay, the last one I just want to review. Hold on, just want to close this one. Okay, and just want to show you. Okay, that is the bottom. So this bottom is the same design, same use as like on the 2007 boots, either 2006 and 2005. The bottom sole like this. Okay guys, if you pay attention, it's kind of different. Okay, but again, ever since these boots, they change it. You will see my other video for 2009 edition. It's gonna be the bottom sole is totally different, and that bottom sole, Dainese been using it until wait I think until between 2015 or 2017 boots, so like more than like 5 to 7 years, I think, around so. And you will see they were using the bottom sole like that. So again, let me show you again. So this is the old one. Okay, it's kind of different. So these will be same with the 205, 206, 207, and this is 208 edition boots. Okay, so that is my review now. Sorry for the noise. Well, I'm at my backyard, so whatever passing by here, whatever it sounds, you guys gonna hear it. And sorry about that, apologize. And then, well, nothing else I can say. These are gorgeous boots. If you have these boots, if you are a Fale fan, trust me, don't sell it, because once you sell these, you're not gonna getting these anymore. And to having these absolutely total impossible in the good condition, where if you got them, then you are a lucky person. That's all I can say, because these boots are not easy to get. Same way with the same thing with the 2009. So in my opinion, either 2008 and 2009 edition boots, they are very catching eye old Rossi boots and very hard to get. And in this edition boots, Fale were back got his crown. So because the 2007, in 2007, it was Stoner was the champion guy, and in 2008 Fale is the champion. So Fale won these boots. Same, nothing different. It's just a different. If Valentino Rossi original, for him, you will see the text inside here. It has Rossi name. Just say Rossi. That's it. That's mean for the MotoGP rider only. But for the public, like the common boots that they sell in the store, at the store, you will see like this, just like plain before. Okay, so thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, if you found this online, if you you want to use it, think twice. If these boots are really your size, because say something accident with you, we never know what will happen on the road or at the track. When you crash it, you're not gonna getting this anymore. So I highly recommend, if you got this, wow, if you want to wear it, you better pay attention and be careful, because this doesn't have the parts, or Dainese never made this anymore. So you better be like, think twice, or maybe think 5 times or whatever, because say if your bike crash, you can buy the parts. Once you crash with the boots and the boots broken, trust me, you will not gonna getting them anymore at all. Okay, so that's all for my review, and thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your time. Okay, see you again in my other video about Rossi gears or others. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Ride safe, brother.